So the Wix filter is 33319, Napa filter is 3319, made from the same manufacturer. And the tools we'll be using is a 19mm open end wrench and a 14mm flare nut wrench. And if you're having trouble loosening up the flare nuts, you can use an open end crow's foot with an extension and a ratchet for extra leverage. And it has some rubber caps lying around. Hopefully this can stop too much fuel from escaping. Step 1, relieve the fuel pressure. So the plan is to loosen these guys and then just retighten them just enough to where it stops leaking, and then remove the bracket. And then since these are not as tight as they were initially, I can just quickly loosen them, swap in a new filter, tighten as much as I can, and then reinstall it with a bracket. For the JZX, it's a 19mm. I want to put a wrench here so that way it's being torqued at this point and not twisting the bracket. That was actually easier than I thought. Alright, so you'll want to just loosen it and then tighten it, but not, you know, too tight. Alright. So we've loosened this, retightened, loosened, retightened. Now we're going to take off the bracket. And just make sure you got a pan underneath because we are going to be losing some fuel. I also have my caps ready too. And now the fun part. time because I did notice some rust come out of the engine side of the filter. I'm gonna open this guy up and see what's going on. I did not see rust coming out of the tank side, so hopefully that's a good sign. Although the car has low mileage, it's not always a good thing because this fuel filter is definitely as old as the car itself. And the car with the low mileage tells me it's been sitting for a long time too. I did buy the car with a lot of rust in the cooling system. I was a bit impulsive when I bought the car and I didn't check it thoroughly, but no, there was definitely a lot of rust in the cooling system. And so it doesn't really surprise me there's rust in the fuel tank as well. And I think the crazy part is I wasn't getting any driving issues at all. The car starts up fine, hits full boost, no issues. Does not feel like it's low on power, even with all this shit in there. So yeah, JZX guys, one of the first things I would recommend doing besides fixing your ECU is getting your fuel filter changed.